Hello, my dear students. Hope all of you are doing well and maintaining good health. I am Dr Smrutirekha and I welcome you all to Etuson, Education for Better Tomorrow. It's a digital learning platform for Odia and English medium students. If you believe in quality education, then you are in the right platform. As in Etuson, we provide quality education which will definitely help you to build your career. Then what are you waiting for? Please download the eTuition app and enroll yourself so that you can avail all the facilities at your fingertips. So children, without wasting much time, let us start today's class. In today's class, we are going to solve problems from exercise 6.1. Hope you have watched the videos related to the concept of square and the interesting pattern on squares. If you have not done so, please go through the link and watch the video so that your concept will be clear. So let us start today's class then. So this is question number 1 of your exercise 6.1 of NCERT book. What will be the unit digit of the squares of the following numbers? So here you have to find out the unit digit of square of the number. So unit digit of 81 square. So unit digit will be decided by the unit digit in the number given. So unit digit of 81 square. Here the number given at 81 is 1. So 1 square is 1, right? So you will get 1 here. Similarly, second bit, unit digit of 272 square. So unit digit is 2 here. So you will get 4 at its units place if you want to find out the square of it. Unit digit of 799 square. So here unit digit is again 9. So you will get 1. Okay, so then you have the number 3853. So you have 3 at its unit place. So at square you will get 9 as in unit digits. Then you have unit digit of 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4 square. So you will get 6 at its unit place. Similarly, bit 6, the unit digit of 26,387 square. So you have 7 here, right? So you will get 9. Okay. So then the number is 52,698. So the number at the units place is 8. So you will get 4 here. Sorry. So you will get 4 here. Okay. So then you have 99,880. So you have 0 here. So at its units place you will get 0. Then you have 12,796. So at its units place you have 6. So you will get 6 over here. Then the last one, your number is 55,555 whole square. So unit digit is 5. So here also in the square you will get unit digit as 5. Correct? So now let us go to next question. The following numbers are obviously not perfect square. Give reasons. Okay. So you have to find out the numbers obviously not perfect square. So if you remember, we have discussed the number having having 2, 3, 7 and 8 cannot be perfect square. You remember this? Okay, so same concept we are going to use to find. So now you just check one by one. 1057. What is there at the units place? It is 7. So 1057 not a perfect square, right? Is not a perfect square. Now look at the second number, 23,453. What is there and in the last digit or unit digit? It is 3. So 23,453 is not a perfect square as it has 3 at its unit place. Now look at 7,928. What is there at units place? It is 8. So 7,928 cannot be a perfect square. Now look at the next number. So what is there in the last digit, unit digit? It is 2. So the number cannot be a perfect square. Now in case of 64,000, what is there in the units place? It is 0. It can be. I'm not. We can't say it clearly that it can be a perfect. It can be a perfect square. Okay, so there is a possibility. Perfect square. So but here you need not write down here, but just for your information I am writing, because in this question you have to just find out the numbers which are not perfect square. Okay, so next is you have 89,722. So you have 2 at its units place, so it is not a perfect square. It is not a perfect square, correct? So similarly next question. So in the next question you have 0. So there is a possibility that it can be a perfect square. Okay, so can be a perfect square, not sure. It can be, as it has 0 at its unit place. Okay, so next is again you have 0 at its units place, right? So you have 0 at its units place, so there is a possibility that it can be a perfect square, not sure. Okay, but here in this question you have to just find out the numbers which are obviously not perfect square. So the number having 2 3 7 8 cannot be a perfect square. So what are those numbers? So you have 1057, 23,453. You have 79228. So you have this number, then you have 89,722. So rest 2, as it has 0 at its units place, there is a possibility that it can be a perfect square, correct? So now let us go to the next question. The square of which of the following would be odd number? Square of which of the following would be odd number? So in 431 square, we'll have 1 at its unit digit, correct or not? Because 1 square, so this is odd number, right? If it will have 1 at its unit place, so this is odd number. 2826 square will have 6 at its unit digit, so it is which kind of number? If it has 6 at its units place, it is even number, correct or not? Then you have 7779 square will have 1 at its unit digit, correct or not? So which kind of number it will be? If you have 1 at its unit place, it will be odd number, correct or not? Okay, so now if the number is 82,004, then what you will have at the units place? So it is 6 at its unit digit, so it will be one even number. So according to your question, what you need to find out? The square of which of the following would be odd number? So you have 431 and 7,709 having odd numbers, correct? Now, let us go to the next question. Observe the following pattern and find the missing data. So, you have 11 square. So, 11 square, you know, it is 121. If you put a 0 in between, the answer is 10201. Okay. If you put 20, you will have 20 in between 1, 2 and 1. Okay. If you have how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4. So definitely there will be 1, 2, 3, 4 0 here. Before 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 0 after 2. Okay. So similarly, if you have just count, you have to find out the value. So how many zeros you have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So definitely you will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Then you will have 2, right? So again you have to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and finally you will have 1. Correct? You have to just follow the pattern. Okay, so now let us go to the next question. Observe the following pattern and supply the missing data. So again similar type of question. Now you see 11 square 121, 101 square 10201. 10. Okay, now in the previous case it was only you were inserting 0. Here you have inserted a 1 in between, so you have 0 1 0 in between. Okay, so you have 0. So how many 1 you have here? So you have 3 1 here. Okay, so if you have 3 1 here, so the order is like 1 0 2 0 3 0, again 2 0 and 1. Now you see how many 1 are there here? 4 1. So your order will be 1 0 2 0 3 0 4 0. Then it will be decreasing 3 0 2 0. Correct? 2 0, and finally you will get 1. Correct or not? Okay. So now you see the final answer. That is, you have 1 0 2 0 3 0 4 0 5 0 4 0 3 0 2 0 1. That means the number should have 5 1. Correct? 5 1, and in between you should have 0. So 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 square. Correct? So observe the pattern minutely, and you can get the answer. Correct? Hope you have understood. Now let us go to the next question. Using the given pattern, find the missing number. So you just observe. So you have here 1 square plus 2 square plus 2 square equal to 3 square. 2 square plus 3 square plus 6 square equal to 7 square. 3 square plus 4 square plus 12 square equal to 13 square. 4 square plus 5 square, the dash you have, and that is equal to 21 square. 5 square, then there is a blank, plus 30 square equal to 31 square. 6 square plus 7 square plus there is a blank, and you have to find out another blank. Now you just observe the relationship between first and second term. So these are consecutive numbers. So after 1 it is 2, 2, 3, 3, 4. So what will be there here in the blank? It is 6 square. So 1 you have filled now. Now go to the third term. Now your third term is nothing but the product of first two term. You can just check it. 1 into 2 is equal to 2. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. 3 into 4 is equal to 12. 4 into 5 is equal to 20. Correct or not? So here your answer will be 20. So you can check it here also. 5 into 6 equal to 30. 6 into 7 will be how much? It will be equal to 42 square. Now what about the answer in the other side? It is nothing but the next number of the third term. So you have 3 square here. After 6 it is 7 square. After 12 it is 13 square. After 20 21 square. After 30 31 square. And here you will get 43 square. You will get 43 square. Correct, children? Hope you have understood. All of them are very easy, right? So now let us go to the next question. Without adding, find the sum. Okay. So if you remember the interesting pattern of the square, so if you have to add the odd numbers, so you how many odd numbers you are adding successively? So you are adding 1 2 3 4 5. So the answer is the square, n square. 5 square will be 25. Correct. So similarly, let us go to the next bit. So just count how many numbers you have. So 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15 plus 17 plus 19. So how many numbers you have? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Right? So you will have 10 square, that is 100. Correct or not? Now you have third bit. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15 plus 17 plus 19 plus 21 plus 23. So how many odd numbers you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So the answer will be 12 square and it is equal to 144. Correct. So now let us go to the next question. Express 49 as the sum of 7 odd numbers. So just now we have done a similar kind. So 49 will be summation of 7 odd number, that is 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Just you can confirm it. Then you have 121. 11 odd numbers. So 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15 plus 17. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Correct or not? So hope you have understood it. Okay. So you have how many odd numbers here? So you have 11 odd numbers here. Correct? So now let us go to the next problem. How many numbers lie between squares of the following numbers? So if you remember, so the numbers between square of number, that is in this case first bit 12 square and 13 square is equal to 2 into n. So 2 into 12. So if you have n and n plus 1, the answer is 2n. So it will be 24. So similarly the number between 25 square and 26 square will be, so n is here 25, n plus 1 26. So you will have 2n, 2 into 25, that is 50. Okay, so then numbers in between 99 square and 100 square. So you have n here as 99 and n plus 100. So 2 into 99, that is how much? 198. Correct? So simple, right? So you have to just understand the interesting pattern. Hope you have understood this problem, children. So thank you so much for your patient hearing. Hope you have liked the video. Please subscribe our channel, share with your friends, download the Etuson app. Do follow us on Instagram, YouTube, Twitter and Facebook. Okay, children. Keep studying, keep practicing, keep smiling and take care of yourselves.